Hello YouTubers, and welcome to my review video of Guarantee Downline Club. I'm here inside of my Guarantee Downline Club dashboard at the moment, and I am going to be showing you around the member area so that you can see what to expect when you join Guarantee Downline Club. But before I start showing you around, you should probably know a few things before you get started with them, if you should so be interested. And let me see. What you want to know before you join Guarantee Downline Club is that it's free to join, and you earn $5 right away as soon as you join. And with every person that joins Guarantee Downline Club through your referral link, you get 50 cents. But wait, there's more. There's another way to make more money inside of Guarantee Downline Club as well. It basically doubles your advertising, and heck, so far has tripled my earnings. So this is the homepage of Guarantee Downline Club. And if you're not a member already, you would go up here to click the sign up button. When you scroll down the page, they're going to talk about what is Guarantee Downline Club. And there's an introduction video here that shows you the compensation plan. And it's a fantastic compensation plan for something that only pays you 50 cents for your signups. You won't believe how quickly your earnings increase just from 50-cent commissions, but of course more with the other thing inside of Guaranteed Downline Club. So make sure you watch this video and see what it's all about and what kind of money can be made from it. There's a Get Started Now button. You can see here, no credit card required, or you could just go ahead and click this sign up button. Once you click the sign up button, you'll be required to put in your first and last name, create a username, password, your email, confirm your email, and you can see here that if you were to sign up under my link, my name will be here. And you can click the Register Now button to get started. Now, once you click the Register Now button, you will have to go back to the email that you signed up in and that you signed up with, and look for the confirmation email, which is this one here. It'll look like this. And you're going to have to click this confirm account button, or if that doesn't work, copy and paste this into your browser. You're going to have to do this before you can start using Guarantee Downline Club and getting your referral link. So make sure you do that, okay? Now, the other thing is, I'll go back to my dashboard here and show you around. This is the main dashboard, and up here it shows me that I have 10 referrals. It shows me that I have earned $26 so far, and I just joined this 15 hours ago, and 8 of those hours were the middle of the night. So some of this happened while I was sleeping. And I have 0 referrals passed up to my sponsor, and I'll tell you why that is in a minute. And there are 2 referrals passed up by my sponsored members, and I'll tell you how that works in a minute too. So once again, that just all shows down here, and my current balance. It shows here that I purchased the money plugin. Now, I highly recommend that if you join Guarantee Downline Club, if you have $19.97 to spare, you are going to make so much more money with this program. So I purchased the money plugin, and that's why this is here, and that's why I have this amount of earnings in my account so far. This is the receipt I got from them saying that I paid for the money plugin. Guys, I forgot to tell you why you would want to get the money plugin. So this is just a quick insert. If you don't have the money plugin, you will have to pass up every other one of the people that you sponsor into Guaranteed Downline Club up to your sponsor. So keep one, pass one up, keep one, pass one up, keep one, pass one up. And if you don't want to lose those members, then you would want to buy the money plugin. So that's why it's such a valuable tool to have. And not only that, but once you do have the money plugin, you get to earn all these other nice little commissions. Okay, and you keep every single person that you personally sponsor. No more pass-ups. Okay, so that should explain the money plugin. And back to the original video. And now the other thing while you're in your dashboard here too is there are 2 other programs that you can sign up to inside of Guaranteed Downline Club. And one of them is Make Money Even, and the other one is Lead Lightning. Now, I've been a member of Make Money Even for quite a while now, as well as the free lead system. So as soon as I joined Guaranteed Downline Club, I just put my referral links right in this area down here, and you can do the same thing if you choose to join Make Money Even and the free lead system. You don't have to. These are not requirements or mandatory at all, but you will just make a lot more money if you do join them. Make Money Even is only $10 to join, and I'll leave a link down in the description below, and I'll also leave a link for my free lead system down below. Or you can just join them if you decide to join Guaranteed Downline Club through my link, which will also be in the description down below. So let's see now, let me just show you a little bit more. Here's my referral link that I use to promote Guaranteed Downline Club. I don't use this raw link. I always like to make a pretty link through my WordPress site. It looks a lot nicer when I'm promoting. And this here shows that since I joined Guaranteed Downline Club, 716 members have joined after me. So these are not my members. I wish they were, but they're not. These are just, it's just basically a counter. And so then let's go to up at the top menu here, About Us. It just tells you a little bit more about Guaranteed Downline Club. It's a global online club of free members, each growing a downline of other people to follow them into an undetermined, as of yet, paying online business. So you're basically getting paid $5 to join for free and start building a list that's going to follow you into a paid program once they determine that's what that's going to be. And it tells you right here, you receive $5 as soon as you join up. And it doesn't mention the 50 cents here, but for everybody that joins under you, you will get 50 cents. Under visitors and traffic, this is a way for you to start getting more visitors and traffic to your referral link using solo ads. This explains the money plugin. There's a video to tell you more about the money plugin, how much more money you can make with it. When you join Guaranteed Downline Club, there will be, this will actually take you to a link to actually buy the money plugin. I don't have that now because I've already purchased it, so it seems to disappear once you sign up to the money plugin. Under support, you can send in a ticket. I already have one into them. And under more money, when you click on promotional URLs, I think these are supposed to link to Lead Lightning and Make Money Even, but because I'm inside of my own account, I can't check this to see if they're actually connected to those links that I put in my profile or not. But I think they are, because people have been signing up to the free lead system through my GDLC account already, and you can see that here under priceless possibilities. These emails here are all from the free lead system telling me that that prospects have been signing up to Lead Lightning through my link. So then also Make Money Even. I don't have any new members yet through this, through GDLC, but I'm sure that I will be getting some soon. There's a blog. So this blog, all they have in the blog so far is how to get visitors and traffic through the solo ads. I want to go back to my dashboard. So up here under Hi Janice, I can go back to my dashboard. Now also inside of your dashboard, in this gray bar here, if you click on referrals, it will show you all of your new members who've signed up under you. Their emails are here as well if you want to send them an email and welcome them to Guaranteed Downline Club. Under payments, I think this is probably where, if I have already tried to withdraw my earnings, I think that will show up in here. But I don't know yet because I haven't tried to withdraw my earnings yet. All of your commissions are going to show up inside of your wallet. That's what this $26 is and this $15. I think there's going to be a minimum amount that you are required to have in your wallet before you can actually withdraw any money. I'm not clear on what that amount is yet, but right now it looks like I can withdraw $15. Now, I want to go back to the money plugin. So with the money plugin, that costs $19.97 when you purchase it, you're going to start making $1.50 commissions from the people who sign up under you when they buy the money plugin. But you're not just going to make a commission from them, you're going to make a commission down 3 levels. So from the first person that signed up under you, from their first level, and from that person's first level. So you'll see here, you can see who purchased the money plugin and who didn't. And this is the only place I can see where that is. This is one of my direct signups. And when he purchased the money plugin, I earned $1.50. Now it looks like somebody that signed up under him also got the money plugin, and I got $3 from that. That's a bonus. And then somebody else signed up under him, and I got $3. And looks like he has a couple more people that have purchased the money plugin under him. So every new member that Dan gets directly under him, you're going to just keep earning these $1.50 and $3 commissions. So not only did I make 50 cents from Dan, I have so far made $13.50 because his signups are also buying the money plugin. So you guys, this is the fastest way to make money with Guaranteed Downline Club. I have one other person who has purchased the money plugin, but he must not have any more signups who have also purchased the money plugin yet. So far I've earned $1.50 from him. So that's pretty cool, I think. And if I want to withdraw this money, I can just click on here and it'll highlight all of those and then add them to my wallet. But I'm not going to do that yet because I'm not ready. I want to build up my earnings before I withdraw them. Now, in order to withdraw your money, you're going to need PayPal or ACH, which is only available to US residents, or a TransferWise account. And if you don't know what that is, I'll leave a link down and below this video as well, where you can go and sign up and get it all set up for when you, after you do join. If you do join, you'll be able to withdraw your earnings with TransferWise, okay? Now, all the links I'm telling you about are all my affiliate links, so if you do sign up to any of these things, in my description, I will be earning a commission, and I would like to thank you in advance should you decide to do that. It also helps to support my my efforts and the work that I have put into promoting these programs. So I think I've covered everything. Inside your profile, you can edit your account, you can change your password and your payment settings should you need to do so. And other than that, you guys, I think that's it for my Guaranteed Downline Club review. This just went live yesterday, July 1st. Today's July 2nd, and I live in Canada, and I'm in Pacific Standard Time. So it's only been a day old, and I have I haven't even been joined for 24 hours, and I have 10 referrals. How I'm promoting this is through safe lists and exchange traffic sites. I write my own emails, and I do have a bonus for you if you do sign up through me. You will receive it once you sign up to Guaranteed Downline Club through my link. Okay, and when you do that, it's going to, if you're not familiar with how to promote, there are some tutorials showing you how you can promote Guaranteed Downline Club and get your own signups. Okay, you guys, so I hope you liked my review video of Guaranteed Downline Club. And if you did, please like this video. Hit the notification bell to get more notifications of when I upload more videos, and also subscribe to my channel. That'd be great. I'd appreciate it. And thanks again for watching my Guaranteed Downline Club review video. See you in the next one.